Lettuce. Now repeat after me. Lettuce. 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 Lettuce is a leafy green vegetable with crisp leaves often used in salads, sandwiches, and wraps. It has a mild taste and is valued for its refreshing crunch. In a sentence, she used lettuce leaves as a base for the fresh garden salad. Here, lettuce refers to the leafy vegetable she used in the dish. Let's try another example. The burger was topped with fresh lettuce, tomato, and cheese. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using lettuce. Synonyms. Some related terms for lettuce are leafy green, a vegetable with edible leaves like lettuce or spinach. Romaine, a type of lettuce with long, sturdy leaves. Antonyms. The opposite of lettuce would be none. As lettuce is a specific vegetable, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Lettuce is a noun referring to a leafy vegetable commonly used in salads and sandwiches. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.